Study the following reaction, which show the step-by-step ionization of phosphoric acid. Lana ngani zakwethu sino-phosphoric acid uya-ionizer step by step. So u-phosphoric acid ukwazi ukudonate ama-protons awu-3. Uyi-triprotic acid, we have a diprotic acid and a monoprotic acid. So ukwazi ukudonate 3 protons. Okay, okwamanje ukwazi ukudonate only 2. Now we are having the Ka value esitshena nge-strength of the acid. Ka value. So le Ka value le inkulu le. Kushuthi le acid le more stronger than le. So la into eyenzakalayo mawusuka la unakhuzana phosphoric acid udonata ngeproton elilodwa la. Mayiqeda ukudonata asale nama-protons awu-2. Uwater wenza njani? Uyamukela water. Bese H3O plus. Aphinde loya ezila adonate ngelinye iproton la. Asale ngube na-2, asale nangaka, asale na-1. Nalo usengadonate futhi engaphinde akhande enye into. Sesingamthatha loya HPO4 2 minus simfake futhi emanzini. Odonate usikhandela u-PO4 3 minus plus bani H3O plus. Yesithathu la bangayikhanda. Ukwazi ukudonate kawu-3. Ngakho sithi protic acid. So masiyi-check-a la indaba yakhe la uyi-acid la akakwazi ukuba yi-acid ngapha nangapha, shuthi la uzofika abe yini? Abe yi-base. La sezoba yi-acid futhi la uzoba yini? I-base. Lo uyi-base la uyamukela ya-accepta le proton esiwangayeza ngapha ngapha bese ba yini? Bese ba yi-acid. So kusuka la uza la yakhona ukumtracker. Kusuka la uza la yakhona ukumtracker. Nalo kusuka la uza la yambona iyashintsha. Kusuka la uza la yambona iyashintsha. So ngapha lona uyini? Uyi-base. Ngapha uyini? Uyi-acid. Khona esifuna ukuyi-check-a-ke la. Ngifuna ubuke loya. La uyini la? Uyi-base. La uyini la? Yena loyana nje lofanayo. Uyi-acid. Shuthi uyini? Uyi-ampholyte. Noma lana u-acte as an ampholyte kulama reaction lawa. Ngoba ngapha ngendle ube-base, ngapha ngezansi seyini? Seyi-acid. So nguye-ke o-acte as an ampholyte. Siyazi ukuthi u-water is an example of an ampholyte. Kodwa laba baba specific ukuthi kule reaction esinayo ubani o-acte as an ampholyte. So H2PO4 minus, but asikafiki lapho. Umbuzo wokuqala uthi define an acid according to Lonely-Bronsted theory. Uthini? Acid is the proton donor. Write down the formula of a substance that acts as an ampholyte in both reactions. Now uyabona ukuthi ubani lo u-H H2PO4 minus nguye-ke act as an ampholyte. Usuyasho ukuthi no ku-reaction 1 u-H2PO4 minus act as ini as i-base. Ku-reaction 2 u-H2PO4 minus u-act as ini i-acid. Kubalulekile ukuthi usho ukuthi ku-reaction bani u-act as ini, ku-reaction bani u-act as ini. Ngoba mama-ke anikeza ngaleyo ndlela leyo. So, usunayo kubani? U-2, u-1 plus 2 kuzoba bani? 3 marks. Uqala ushilo, wawusuyasho ukuthi u-reaction 1, mase unikeza isizathu la ngezansi, u-act as bani? U-reaction 2, act as bani? Now, bathi-ke, which substance H2PO4 minus and PO42 minus will have a higher Ka value? Which one? Ubani kulapho uzoba ne-Ka value enkulu? Let's check-ke. Ake si-check. Ake sibabuke lapha. Esibabuke. No-check-a uza ngapha. Ka value yakhe injani? Check uza ngapha. Ka value injani? Lo ono-2 phezulu yabona loya minus 12 mncane loya minus, khumbule phela u-minus 3 mkhulu, minus 12 mncane. So lo uno-Ka value encane, kusho ukuthi une-Kb value enjani? Enkulu. Ngoba la babuze ngo-Kb value. Kb value usuke ukuthi ukhuluma kahle kahle Kb value is for base. So ukhumbule phela lona uma ngabe ese HPO4 2 minus, lo ya 2 minus usho ukuthi ngiyakwazi uku-act as a base, ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngisengakwazi ukwamukela ama-protons awu-2. Yebo indaba, njengoba eno-2 minus nje uthi ngisengakwazi ukwamukela 2 yama-proton. La njengoba eno-minus 1 uthi ngisengakwazi ukwamukela 1 ye-proton. So lapho ngiyakwazi uku-act as a base. Since ngiseno-hydrogen ngisengakwazi futhi ukudonate ne-proton elilodwa. So kushuthi lona ngoba esono-minus 2 use-more basic, yingakho i-Kb value yakhe izoba njani? Izoba nkulu. Why izoba mase sibeka isizathu laphana sizosho ukuthi yilo ozoba ne-Kb value enkulu, uzoba more basic yena usengakwazi ukwamukela 2 yama-protons, leyana usengakwazi ukwamukela 1. But sizoyibheka la indaba yethu, i-reason yethu ukuthi hhayi, since Ka value encane kusho ukuthi uzoba Kb value enjani? Enkulu. Isizathu sethu kuyoba yileso-ke. Ka value no-Kb usitshela nge-strength se-basicity and acidity of a substance. Si-check-e la. Potassium, state whether potassium acetate is acidic, basic, or neutral salt. Write an appropriate chemical equation to support your answer. So into ozoyenza-ke uzokwenza kanje, CH3 COO K, loyana yamhlakaza kanjeya, CH3 COO minus K plus, bese uyacabanga ngendlela uyabahlukanisa, bese uyacabanga ukuthi konje lo usukaphi lo usukaphi lo usuka kwi-acid esiyibiza ngokuthi acetic acid. Lo usuka kule acid le CH3 COOH. Lo K konje ujwayele ukuhamba nobani u-K? Potassium uthola group 1. For a strong base ujwayele ukuhamba no-OH. So sino-KOH. Ubani o-strong, ubani o-weak? Laba babili. Lo u-weak, lo u-strong. Lo o-strong siyakhohlwa uye, siyakhohlwa nje indaba yakhe. Bese sithatha i-ion yalo o-weak siyifaka emanzini. Sithi CH3 COO minus siyihlanganise namanzi. is equal to, yabo ngoba eno-negative laphana lo, usho ukuthi mina ngifuna ukwamukela. Khumbule phela la manzi akanje la manzi lawo. So, uthi mina ngifuna ukwamukela i-proton kula manzi lawa awangilethela u-hydrogen. Ekugcineni i-answer yakho fanele ibe naloya kwi-equation yakho. But uthatha loya um-ede namanzi. I-answer lo uzoba enye yama-answer wakho. Shuthi ngapha sinobani? Sino-CH3, COOH. H umthathephi? Umthathe ku-water. So, uma ngabe wena uphuca u-water loya, hydrogen loya, uzosala nobani ngapha? Uzosala no-OH minus. So, since kuproduce ku-OH minus, kusho ukuthini ngesolution yakho? Bakubuze ngesolution, ukuthi ngabe isolution i-acidic noma basic noma neutral. Since OH is produced, our solution is basic. Vele ngeke ingabe basic ngoba KOH onjani o-strong. Kusho ukuthi isolution yethu izoba njani? Izoba basic. So, uyiphruva kanjena le nto le. Uzothola amamaki akho awu-4. Provine uthatha lo weak, uthatha iyon yakhe uyifake emanzini, lo fanele abe enye yama-product. Yawo le question izohlezi ikhona futhi nje bayakupha amamaki la. Wena nje ngama-salt upractice le nto lokuyifaka emanzini. Practice ukuthi lo uqhamuka kuphi, lo uqhamuka kuphi. Phandle uma ungafuni phela amamaki sothi singathula nje. Now the compounds in the table are in diprotic carboxylic acid. We have oxalic acid, malonic acid, succinic acid, tartaric acid. Yes, nama-molar mass la as I predicted ukuthi kungenzeka bathi calculate i-molar mass uye kwi-periodic table, but in this case basi-calculate isi-molar mass ye-compound not ye-element, so esingeke siye kwi-periodic table. Mbuzo uzokhumbula ngakutshena ngathi i-equation enje izophuma. So bathini-ke, the acids in the table are all white crystalline solids at room temperature. Students were required to identify a sample of one of these acids by titration with a standard solution of sodium hydroxide. The acid may be represented as H2A, and the equation of titration reaction as follows. Now, 1,0 grams of an unknown acid was dissolved in a distilled water and made up to a volume of 200 cubic centimeter. Now, an aliquot of 25 cubic centimeter of an unknown acid solution was titrated with NaOH solution of concentration 0,102 mol per dm cube. After few runs of the titration, the average volume of NaOH used at the endpoint was 23,5 cubic centimeter. So la kwenzakaleni, besibhale le information ebalulekile. Ngiyathanda ukubhala i-equation. So la sinikezwe into enje ngani zakwethu. Sinikezwe u-H2A plus bani plus 2 NaOH wasinikeza bani Na2A plus bani plus 2H2O. So bathathe nazini ngibheke leshandisileyo. Ya, noma ngasi-volumetric flask le. Okay, bathathe u-1 gram, 1,0 gram we-acid, H2A esingayazi acid, bayithatha bayifaka la. base be-eda kwaze kwayofika kwimakhi laphaya amanzi, i-volume of bani of 200 cubic centimeter. Kule volume le base bethatha kuphela u-25 cubic centimeter. Bathathe u-25 cubic centimeter, abathathanga u-200 wonke. Bayomreactisa nobani? No 0,102 mole per dm cube ka-NaOH. Ne-volume ka-NaOH obani? Ewu-23,5 cubic centimeter. Yabo indaba. So, kusho ukuthi kuleya solution sithatha u-25 kuphela kabani? Ka-200. Base bemreactisa nobani? No-NaOH, concentration yakhe u-0,102 ne-volume ubani? Sine-concentration, sine-volume. Okay, now explain what is meant by the term endpoint. What is endpoint? Endpoint is when the indicator changes color. So bathi-ke, calculate the concentration of an unknown acid solution. Write the answer in the write the answer correct to 4 decimal places. Now, sifuna i-concentration yangapha. Olulanga. So calculator, we are given the concentration ka-NaOH ne-volume yakhona, singakhalkulate ama-number of moles wakhona. So concentration of NaOH is equal to number of moles over volume. Concentration of 0,102. Okay, ngamanye amagama loyana u-C, if we are not used to square bracket. U-C is equal to N over V, kusayinto eyodwa. Number of moles over i-volume bani? 23,5 times 10 to the power of minus 3. Now, number of moles of NaOH. Number of moles of NaOH is equal to 6 over 0,102 multiplied by 23,5 times 10 to the power of bani? To the power of minus 3. So our number of moles now 0,00239 mole. Stoichiometry, we say H2A is 2 NaOH. 1 is to 2. Number of moles 0,002397. Here we have x. Cross multiply. We have 2x elingana no 0,002397. Ekugcineni ama-number of moles we-acid zoba ubani? Zoba u-0,0011985 mole of bani? Of H2A. Now, sinama-number of moles ka-H2A, sinayo i-volume yakhe esebenzile, sinama-number of moles, bafuna i-concentration. So, sithini? Concentration of H2A is equal to number of moles over volume. Number of moles 0,0011985. 25. Khumbula sisebenza ngama-cubic centimeter. It's either we divide by 1000. Menzani manje? It's either we divide by 1000 or we times by 10 to the power of minus 3. So, i-volume yalaphayana-ke kuzoba 0,04794 mole per dm cube. Okay, i-volume sesiyayazi. Siyayazi i-volume. Sebethini-ke la ngaphansi Do a suitable calculation to identify the unknown acid from the table. Ukuthi yeyiphi leya acid-ke le ebebeyifakile kahle kahle. So into engizoyidinga la ama-number of moles wale acid. Naya athi x is equal to 0,00111985 mole of H2A. Lokhunye ngisakudinga. Kodwa lokhu, just for explanation, 25 cubic centimeter, 0,0011985 mole. So, okusho ukuthi u-25 uphethe u-0,0119585 mole. Kanti u-200 uphetheni? Ilokho esikufunayo njengamanje. So, singasho sithi 25 cubic centimeter contain 0,0011985 mole of bani of H2A. Kanti u-200 cubic centimeter ucontaine noma uphethe ama-number of moles amangaki ka-H2A. Sesenza njani? We cross multiply. So kuzoba 25 times x is equal to 0,0011985 times bani? Times 200. Divide by 25 on both sides. So kuzosinikeza into engakanani-ke lokho? 0,0011985 times 200 over 25. So uphethe nawo ama-number of moles 0,00588 mole. Shuthi ku-200 lapha ku-200 kukhona nawo ama-number of moles 0,00588 mole ku-200 khona nawo ama-number of moles. Okay, sesinawo ama-number of moles aku-200. Sinayo i-mass yaku-200. Sifuna i-molar mass. Sesizothini-ke? Sekulula-ke. Siyayazi formula efaka ama-number of moles ifake i-molar mass. Number of moles is equal to mass over molar mass. Number of moles 0,0095888. I-mass sinayo. Sifuna kahle into esingajwayele ukuyifuna. I-mass 1,0. Sifuna lo esijwayele ukumlanda kwi-periodic table. 0,0095888. So 1 over an answer kuphuma 104,297 grams per mole. Sesiya laphayana kubani lo close to le answer le umalonic. So we have a malonic acid. Bekufanele senze kanje ephepheni lethu. Siyacela ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe, nani-like kwi-channel yethu.